All right, so today we're gonna cover the essentials that you need to start a dropshipping business, and we will explore 3 popular platforms for starting your dropshipping business. And I'm talking about Shopify, eBay, and Etsy. Each platform has its own strengths and serves to different types of products, budgets, and sellers. So let's dive right in. But wait, are you ready to start a dropshipping business? Let's just quickly cover the essentials here and let me know what you think of the content that I'm about to show you by commenting below any time during the video. Okay, so let's make a list here. I'm gonna ask the editor maybe on this side, like this. Okay, like this. So first things first, you have to choose a niche that has demand, and then you have to find a trustworthy supplier for product fulfillment and shipping. Then you have to set up an easy-to-use online store with platforms like Shopify or Etsy, or set up a store at marketplaces like eBay. And then number 4, you have to create compelling product descriptions and high-quality visuals. And number 5, and then you have to develop a plan to attract customers through social media content and also advertising if you're working in Shopify and Etsy, because eBay already has millions of active buyers. Okay, number 6, provide excellent support to build customers' trust and loyalty. And number 7 is just to monitor the performance, analyze data, and make informed business decisions. Okay, so now, let me go back here. So now let's explore these 3 platforms and what they're best for in terms of product types, budgets, sellers, and other relevant information. So let's start with Shopify. So Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform. Everyone knows about it, right? And it has amazing, extensive features. So it's best for, number 1, product types. Shopify is ideal for selling a wide range of products, including physical goods, digital products, print-on-demand products, products on subscription-based services. You can find success with anything from clothing to accessories to electronics to home decor, for example. Let's talk about budgets. While Shopify offers plans starting at $29 per month, keep in mind that additional costs may arise from app subscriptions, themes, and marketing expenses. Also, Shopify has a $1 plan per month that you can use for 3 months. So it's pretty amazing, right? It has limited features, but it's also good. It's a good starting point to start your business and cut costs further. So it's very suitable for those with a moderate to high budget for their drop shipping venture. Now let's talk about sellers. Shopify provides a user-friendly interface, making it very accessible to both beginners and more experienced sellers. And it offers this amazing inventory management, analytics, and marketing tools, making it very suitable for scaling your business. Number 4, branding and marketing options. On Shopify, you control your customers. For example, you can build an email list of your customers, and then you do the email marketing to upsell the items, to upsell them in the future with no costs, right? So, and you can also create a very attractive landing page. You can put like category and product pages according to your desire. So you have this freedom to personalize this interface, this picture. When they go to your website and boom, they see it. It's whatever you want it to be. Okay. Now, what about Etsy, you may ask, right? Let's go over Etsy. So Etsy is a very popular marketplace known for its focus on unique handmade, print-on-demand, and vintage items. It's an excellent platform for sellers with specific product offerings. So let's talk about product types. So Etsy is best suited for selling handmade crafts, customized items, vintage products, as I mentioned before, like artistic creations. So it caters to a niche audience that appreciates unique and one-of-a-kind products. If you're thinking about that, then that's your platform right there. Let's talk about budgets. So Etsy charges listing fees and transaction fees for each sale, allowing sellers to get started with minimum financial commitment. So it's very nice for sellers with creative flair and smaller budgets. So for example, if you're starting your own handmade jewelry and earrings and you want to sell somewhere, Etsy is the place for it, okay? So let's talk about sellers. Etsy attracts creative entrepreneurs, artists, and crafts people, all right? Craftsmen and women, and people that are interested in this more rare, unique items. And the cool thing is that it fosters a community atmosphere where sellers can connect with buyers who value their handmade and unique items, which is pretty cool. It creates this strong community. And also sellers have more control on their shop design. Now let's move to eBay. What are your thoughts so far? Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment here about Shopify, about Etsy, about your experiences. Let's open this dialogue, okay? So let's talk about eBay. eBay is, as you know, a very well-established online marketplace, that connects buyers and sellers worldwide and has this unique characteristics that make it preferred choice for certain types of drop shipping. So let's go over product types. eBay is a great platform for selling a wide range of products, including used items, vintage, collectibles, electronics, niche products, and it's very suitable for rare and hard to find items as well. In terms of budgets, eBay offers different subscription levels, including free options. So this is very attractive for people that are starting on a limited budget as well. However, just keep in mind that additional fees such as listing fees and final value fees may apply. So let's talk about sellers. So eBay caters to both individual sellers and larger businesses, okay? It provides features such as an auction-style listings, buy it now options, and the ability to reach a vast customer base. So it's a very great marketplace to start. All right, so basically that's it. That's a wrap. And remembering that selecting the right platform depends on your product type, budget, and target audience. So you have to, evaluate all these options and consider your strengths and resources and choose the platform that aligns best with your business goals. So keep moving forward and see you next time.